How to add photo on video in InShot. Open the InShot application on your device and tap on the video option there, and now tap on New. Select any of the video of your choice that you want to edit further. Now to just simply add image, before or after the video, tap on the plus icon on your left hand side and then tap on photo or video. Select the picture that you want to add and you can see the picture has been added. Now you can drag the image to adjust its location. You can also add transition by tapping on the little icon there. The basic transition is for free while the other transition requires a premium InShot account. You can also play with the tools and make changes in your video accordingly. This was adding picture before and after the video. If you want to add the image on top of the video, then tap on the sticker icon and then on sticker plus icon. You will see the picture icon there. Tap on that and now tap on choose from camera roll. Select the picture that you want to add. Now that the picture has been added, you can adjust the picture size according to your choice. Select the timeline and enlarge the time frame of the image accordingly. You can also edit the picture by using various tools here. If you find this tutorial helpful, do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for staying with us until the end.